Hello everyone, this is Arbaaz Khan. I am from Odisha. I am studying here in Odisha National Pedagogical Medical University. I have came here through Wise Education Group, Odisha, Bhubaneswar. When I was willing to come here, I was too worried that how I can live there and all. But after coming here, I don't have a single problem for anything in my personal life or student life. For any problem, I have Sushil bhai here, Aditya bhai here. They are helping me in each and everything. I don't have any problems. This is one of the biggest universities in Ukraine. When you think about coming to Ukraine, we actually think a lot that how the weather should be. Is Indian food provided easily available in here or not? But there is no such thing. There are more than thousands of Indians are living here, and the climate is pretty good. We can easily live here. Actually, this summer season is going on, and everything is fine. There is no such problem that we can't live here or the temperature is very low. It's not like that. And about food, yeah, food is easily available here. Indian food is easily available. If you want Indian food, you can get Indian foods. There are a lot of other options too. Some people are saying when I was willing to come that only non-veg you should get only non-veg there, but it's not like that. I can easily get veg too.